Okay, I guess all of us are able to see each other. I'll share with you the screen. Okay. Yeah, I hope I'm audible to all of you. And could you see the screen that I shared with you? Hmm. Okay. Okay, so these are a few of the letters that I have received. And as we discussed in the previous session, we'll be talking about letter writing. So first of all, we'll see what are the kinds of letters that are there, and then we'll try and see if we need some help in that, right? So let's look at these letters. I think the earliest to come was of Malhar, right? So this is, okay, I should be considering this corrected version of Malhar's letter, right, Malhar? Okay, he has sent an attachment. So we'll check the attachment. Okay, so this is how it looks. I hope all of you are able to see the screen that I'm sharing of my inbox. We can, yes, sure. So let's look at the letter. So this is what Malhar has written, an inquiry letter. So this is the title, as you can see. And let's see. So you can see this is the title, this is the address 1, this is address 2, and the date is written here. Wonderful. The subject is inquiry about products. Respected sir or madam, with reference to your advertisement in Gujarat Samachar dated so and so, we came to know that you are the largest manufacturer of different types of clocks in the whole Gujarat. We are retailer of clocks in Rajkot city. We want to order the following products. The details of the products. Kindly send us the rates of all the above mentioned products, as we are doing business for the first time, and we will issue the half payment in advance. We are looking forward to receive. I'm looking forward to remember this phrase, right? Quick reply from your side. Yours sincerely, Malhar Rajguru, and then this is the name. So that's almost there. So that's one draft that we have. That looks good. We'll discuss the part of it one by one. So that was one of the drafts by Malhar. Now let's look at what Madhvi had to say. Okay, so she has written here something. Is this your subject? Okay, Tapasvi treated us write a letter of inquiry to this company and inquiring about the price and terms of purchase and sale for bulk. Okay, now if you remember, Madhvi, we did discuss that if this is the subject, it should be like a phrase or a sentence which will convey the meaning, because if you look at this, it's a bit too detailed, right? This much of detail is not required in subject. What should be the subject? Why are you writing this email? You are writing this email as a business letter inquiry, as a part of maybe at the most assignment. But these details should come, but it could come here maybe, right? And then the letter should start. But that's fine. Okay, so we have first address of Tapasvi, and this is the second address. In between we have the date, then we have respected sir, and then we have been in say Kalol for 15 years in various places. Do we have Madhvi in the class? Are you there, Madhvi? Madhvi, can you hear me? Madhvi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Madhvi. Can you please help me read your letter that starts with this, respected sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you try?
Subject information to barrier T.
Okay.
We have been in color for the last 15 years in various places with the above address. The type of tea retailer we are motivated to while this letter after reading your tea sale advertisement published in the newspaper Ajna Samachar on March 50, 2016.
Okay,
We would
okay.
like
Yes, continue.
we would like to buy a variety of tea from you in packing of 50 each. So please send us a list of different types of tea available and price list. We would like to know about the different types of tea received in packing according to different benches, their price, conversion, payment terms in edition. Please information about the means and cost of transporting the goods. Please respond properly as the goods and expected to arrive on the day after placing your order. We will batch order of you in the future if your price and comes quickly. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay, can you read this word again? Please respond.
Properly.
Okay, read closely. Read properly. Is it properly?
Property.
Is it property? What do you think?
Property.
Okay, it is property. So give us your property. That's what you are telling them?
Promptly.
Yes. It is called promptly. Promptly.
Yes.
Right? There is a verb called prompt. Prompt is fast, quickly. So you
Yes.
want them to respond quickly, right? So that's the correct word. So that's there. So from where did you get this draft, Madhvi? It's a very good draft. Did you check some book for this, Madhvi? Madhvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And did you refer some book, because it's a very good draft that you are that you have
Yes,
written,
sir.
right? So
Yes.
wonderful. Nothing wrong. See, if you have taken it from some book or some resources, nothing wrong, right? We want to get the correct draft, whether you learn it from me or from book or from anywhere. That's not important, right? Only thing is, if you are using it, you should know the words that you have been reading and using, right? Nothing wrong in taking, especially in the formal letters, the reports. It's always good to follow the draft that are standardized. And if they are available online or some in books, some authentic publication, there is nothing wrong in taking it, right? But only thing is, when you do it, you should make it yours, right? Yours means you should know all the words that are used in the Sevan. Otherwise, it's absolutely fine. And this draft looks good to me. So thank you. So that was Madhvi with her draft. Okay, then we have Vanita. Don't tell me, Vanita and Madhvi are friends?
Yes, sir.
They're still friends.
Friend.
You're still friends. Okay, I could see your friendship. You know, it's more like crime partners, isn't it?
No,
Okay,
sir.
so the same instruction that was for your friend Madhvi is for you as well. That you should not write such a lengthy subject in your subject, especially in the emails. Right? It should be somewhere here. Right? Why are you writing this mail? You are writing this mail because I told you. So what did I tell you? Yes, this is one of your assignments. Right? So there you should write that, okay, it's an inquiry letter, maybe assignment. You just can write an inquiry letter. Right? So that's there. Because if it is too lengthy, see how it will look here in somebody's inbox. Do you see this? Whereas it should be something like this, as Archana did, as some others did, let's say assignment or inquiry letter, something like this. Right? So very specific, assignment 2, for example, or inquiry letter, for example. So that's the only problem, right? So it's not incorrect. Please understand, Vanita and Madhvi, both of you, it's not incorrect, right? It's inappropriate. it should not come here. If you wish, you can write it here, right? That okay, this is the say line on which you are going to develop your inquiry letter, right? So it's not incorrect, but you should not mention it here in the subject. Okay, Vanita, are you there, Vanita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I thought she left the meeting. Okay, fine. So it's about bicycles and alpha bicycles. So can you please help me reading this, Vanita?
Yes, sir.
Sure, please try.
Subject: order to buy bicycles.
Okay.
Respected sir, our customers are very impressed with your quality and modern design bicycles and the sale of bicycles with the new season starting in June. So inquiry and demand for bicycles have been on the rise. Please
Right.
send us 200
Yes.
boys bicycles and 150 girls bicycles sending to the above address. Thank you. Your faithfully.
Okay. So you are asking for the price or you're asking for the bicycles? Send us the bicycles, right? You don't want to know the price.
Yes, sir.
So good. So you already know the prices and the company. So you don't want to know the price, even if they send it 10,000 rupees per bicycle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you sure what you're answering is? That I'm okay. Whatever price you quote, we want to buy 200 bicycles. Do you understand? आप जो भी प्राइस लगाओ मैं तो लेनी है 200 ऐसा.
No, sir.
मार्केट में 5,000 की मिल रही है मगर ये लड़की जो है मुझे प्राइस पूछ नहीं रही है तो मैं 10,000 लगा दूंगा. तो ले लोगे?
No, sir.
आपने तो ऑर्डर ही प्लेस कर दिया. देखो यहाँ क्या करा आपने, सेंड अस, भेज दो बस 200 लड़कों की और 150 लड़कियों की बस भेज दो. Right? Do you see the problem, Vanita?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So again, bacha, it's not incorrect, but it's inappropriate because first of all, you ask for the price, you also ask for the discount, right? If you
Okay,
buy
sir.
one bicycle, it could be 10,000 rupees. Like you and I would go to buy a bicycle, it will be a retailer, one piece, two pieces bicycle that we'll buy, right? But you are a retailer and you are making a bulk purchase. 200 is a bulk, right? 150 is a bulk. So if you make a bulk purchase, obviously the price would be different. Obviously there'll be terms and conditions like will you pay advance or will you pay after you receive the order, right? Will you ask for the demand for this, let's say, discount? No. What if after receiving there are some of them are not the kinds of bicycle you asked for? You understand? So
Yes,
you
sir.
asked for 200 for boys bicycle, 150 girls bicycle. What if they send you 300? Or what if they send you 100? Do you understand? So for that, you need to clarify the terms and condition,
Okay, sir.
right? So that's why. So it's not incorrect, as I said. It is two. One, inappropriate. Second, incomplete. It's not wrong. It's incomplete. We need to add some more details. That's it. है ना? So
Okay,
कुछ
sir.
details जो है वो कम है. तो क्या ऐड करोगे आप बताओ मुझे.
Price की इंक्वायरी,
हाँ तो पहले प्राइस बताओ, हमें ठीक लगी तो हम लेंगे.
फिर पेमेंट के बारे में.
हाँ कैसे पेमेंट होगा, एडवांस में होगा, ऑन
Yes,
डिलीवरी
sir.
होगा, 50% होगा, है ना. तो ये
Yes,
सारी
sir.
टर्म्स एंड
हाँ.
कंडीशन हैज टू बी क्लैरिफाइड एंड दैट टू इन रिटन फॉर्म. आप भी रिटन में दोगे, वो भी रिटन में देंगे. इट हैज टू
Okay,
बी
sir.
ऑन पेपर. अदरवाइज कल झगड़ा हुआ तो फिर कौन साबित करेगा, है ना. वो तो बोलेगा कि देखो आपने रिटर्न में दिया है कि मुझे 2,150 भेज दो. तो आपने प्राइस का तो पूछा ही नहीं था, तो मैंने तो भेज दिया, अब आपको देना पड़ेगा. You understand? So when you are writing
sir.
with your name, that means you are giving in writing, which has a legal validity. आपने कंपनी का नाम दिया. I think you will be using letterhead. So then you cannot fight in the court if they quote any price. You did not ask when. वो 1 साल बाद भेजेंगे, चलेगा?
No, sir.
See the problem, Vanita. So it's not only for
Yes.
Vanita, it's for all of us. Okay? If there are the details missing in the letter, it could lead to confusion. It could lead to clarification will not be there. So obviously there'll be problems. है ना? So that's why you need to add some more details. What are those details that we shall discuss, right? So that was
Okay,
Vanita. Thank you, Vanita, for your draft. Uske baad we have Vidhi. Okay, so Vidhi's a letter. Do we have Vidhi in the class?
Yes, sir.
A formal letter writing for business to business. ठीक है. Can you help reading your draft?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Sir, address or from body itself.
Yeah, you can start with the date maybe.
24th October 2020.
Mhm.
Sender's address XYZ Wholesale Mart, MG Road, Mumbai, to ABC Companies, XY Industrial Zone, Mumbai. Subject: want to place an order for more goods. Dear Mr. Alex, the letter is to inform you about the stock at my warehouse is coming to an end, so I want to place an order for more goods. I want 7,000 packets of drink bottles and 5,000 of beverages for limited skin cans. I want this order as soon as possible. Send me the delivery and payment details for the same. Hopeful for your favorable reply. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Alex.
Okay. So now, Vidhi, if you notice, is this called inquiry letter?
No, sir. Sir, I was not clear that we have to make an inquiry letter. I thought that we have to make an order letter. That's right.
So similar mistake or similar misunderstanding as Vanita had, right? So what you did is you have already placed an order, and that too not for the first time. You are already a customer. From the draft I could see you are a regular customer of this company, and you are asking for more good. That means you have already placed an order before.
Yes, sir.
This is your additional order. So that's not even an order for the first time. Right? So do you see the problem? So it's not again incorrect. It's not incorrect at all. It is just incomplete, and it's not what the assignment was. The assignment was to make an inquiry. Hai? And this inquiry is very important because let's say if you are making a bulk purchase like 200 or 150 bicycles that Vanita ordered. In your case, you are going to order 5, say 1,000 or let's say 7,000. So that's a huge say bulk, right? It's a bulk purchase, and if it is a bulk purchase, obviously you can negotiate the price, and it's not only from one company, right? You can place an order to more than one company. No, you can place an inquiry to more than one company. Yes, you understand? So let's say you ask for this amount, that if this is the amount, send us the competitive prices, right? So it's possible that if they are charging you, let's say, for example, 10 rupees, you might say that, well, other company is giving me at 7 rupees. Why should I buy it from you? Do you understand? So it's a kind of a bargain. It's a kind of a bargain, but unlike an individual bargain that you do maybe at the vegetable shop or maybe at a retailer shop, it will be a business to business. You are also a business person. Yeah, you are holding a say business where you are having a bulk purchase. So you are a customer in a way, but as a company, and that's why your purchasing capacity is obviously in bulk compared to an ordinary customer. So you will be a business customer. That's what your title is, business to business, right? So that means you are also a business person and making an inquiry also from another business person, and that's why there has to be a competitive price. Otherwise, why to write an inquiry letter? You see the point, right? So again, it's not incorrect. It is inappropriate. Some things are missing. So that's the only suggestion. Fine, Chali. So let's look at Archana's draft. Do we have Archana in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Archana. Could you please help me read your letter?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please share my letter that I've drafted you?
Could you see it on your screen?
No, sir. It's Vanita's letter.
Are you still on Vanita's letter? It's long been closed. Can you read your letter now?
No, sir. But I don't know what's the problem about internet connection or what.
Okay. Can others see this Archana's letter? Yes. Others can see the Archana's letter, please. Okay. Yes. So others are able to see. Okay. So Malhar, can you please help me read Archana's letter? I'll share with you. This is Archana's letter. I think Malhar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Malhar. Can you please help me and Archana to read her letter?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So it's on your screen. So Giriraj Society. I think that's the address.
Yes, Giriraj Society, Uma Town Road, Morbi, 24th October 2020, to the manager Ajanta Clock, Morbi, Rajkot Highway. Subject, to inquiry about the clock. Respected sir, with the reference to your advertisement in the newspaper in the Times of India dated 20th October 2020, I decided to work with you. I had heard so much about your company and it is a good reputed company. I am a shopkeeper of clocks and I want to deal with your company and sell your product. So if you are also interested to work with us, then please give me all the details about the product, the different types of clock and their prices, etc. I hope you will give me a quick response of this letter. Thank you. Regards, Archana Singh.
Fine, fine. So that's a letter that is almost there, which we were discussing. So that's there, that you are showing willingness. It's not that you are placing an order. So you are saying that, I'm interested in doing business and would like to know the prices, and accordingly I'll decide based on the prices that I'll receive. Right, so that's there. We will not go into the basic details like Rajkot R Capital and all those things. So that's there. Anyway, so this is almost there that we were discussing. So that's one. Okay. So then we have Prisha Doshi. Prisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prisha, can you see your letter that you
Yes,
sent me? Yes. So can you please help me read?
Uttam Traders, Parabazar Main Road. Wall Clock and Accessories Merchant, Parabazar Main Road, Rajkot, 25th October 2020. Messrs. Ajanta Watch Company, Morbi Rajkot Highway near Puja Farm, opposite Reva Park, Morbi. Dear sir, regarding wall clock trading, we have come to know from the advertisement that you are dealing with famous wall clock trading since long. We have a retail trading store of wall clock since 2 years. We would like to have your famous wall clock for trading, and for that we request you to send us prospectus and or please give details of your brand. Also let us know from which distribution we will get desirable quantity of wall clocks. Also please communicate your terms and conditions. We are eagerly awaiting your early response in this matter. Sincerely your Uttam Traders.
Wonderful, wonderful. So almost there, as we discussed with previous draft as well as this draft. So this is not an order. This is an inquiry, as we were expecting, right? So that's there. I just want Prisha to check the term called since. In the word since, right? I just want you to find out the usage of since, right? There is other usage also called for. Right. So since 1925, Raymond's, remember? So in the same way, can you use since for the period, which is like 2 years or some years duration, right? So that you just check out, and I'm sure you'll find some interesting details. Otherwise, that's a good draft. Chali. So then we have Aryan. We'll take Aryan's letter. So Aryan, are you there? Sorry, Ayan Ahmed. Ayan, are you there? Ayan, not present today. Okay, so we'll skip his letter in that case. Okay, Siddharth, I think, is also on leave. Okay, we'll take Meg.
I'm here, sir. Hello.
Hello,
I'm here, sir.
Okay.
I'm leaving on Thursday, so it's all right. I noticed, sir, that I kind of like I got the subject and everything right, but my format was like more of an email rather than letter.
Yeah, fine. That's fine. That we discuss. Let's. Can you see your draft that is there on your screen?
Oh no! Right now you've opened, I think, Ayan's draft.
So you are Ayan?
No. It's Siddharth.
Okay, you are Siddharth. Okay, so I
Yes.
thought you will not be there today in the session.
No. I'm leaving on the day. I'm like leaving on 29th
Fine,
actually.
fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, so this is your draft. So let's see.
Yes.
Okay,
So
go ahead.
yeah. Dear team of ABCD Exports, I'm writing on the behalf of the purchasing department of XYZ Trading Private Limited Rajkot in order to inquire about scrap metal you manufacture and trade. We, XYZ Trading Private Limited, are one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of nut bolts and screw across Asia, and recently heard of you through one of our business contacts. I would like to inquire at what rate do you sell your metal scraps per kilogram? Since we are now looking for new suppliers of our raw materials, we would like to turn to you, and we hope that we could build a better business relationship with your company to bring us both to success. Thank you and hope to hear from you soon. Kind
Okay,
regards.
yeah, so that's true, as you said. It's more of an email format, which is not incorrect, but we were trying to understand the letter format. So there'll be a bit of a format that will be different. And you can think of this the that you use for on the behalf is, I think, not required. So I'm writing on behalf of. The is not required. So otherwise that seems fine to me. Right? So that was Siddharth. And then we have Meg. Meg, are you there? Okay, Meg has
Yes, sir.
the attachment.
Yes, sir.
So let's look at Meg's draft. Meg, can you help me read your
Yes.
draft?
Sure. So the subject is a request for information in advance of purchase order.
So like who is the sender? Malhar is the receiver, right? Malhar
Yes.
Patel is the receiver.
Yes,
And
I have
sender is
mentioned it.
Meg. Yeah, fine.
Yes. Okay. So I am Meg Jag, owner of Maxwell Enterprise, writing with regard to avail information on bulk purchase of wristwatches on reference of Mr. Bhushan Patel, that is owner of Smith Enterprise, Ahmedabad. Please provide to me in writing with a price list, applicable terms and conditions, discounts, additional fare charges, and offers for Titan wristwatches. I anticipate on ordering items from your company at competitive rates, terms and conditions which are favorable to both the parties and in accordance with our needs. Thank you for your cooperation, and I hope to receive the asked quotation as soon as possible.
Fine. Then the contact details are given here. So that's one format that we have. So good. So we could see many of the formats. So now what I'll do is I'll show you, there are I think 3 more. So very quickly, let's look at there's
सर
draft.
सर
Yes. Yes. Who's
हाँ
this?
मैंने सेकंड टाइम शेयर किया है करेक्शन करके वो अभी शेयर किया है
ये मैं कौन है बताओ?
कौशल राज
अच्छा,
20 minutes ago.
So which one should I consider? This is my inbox. It would be in general inbox. That's what you're saying? Which is the one that you sent? This one. ठीक है. चलो फिर अपने क्लास में आ जाओ. Where is your class? ठीक है. Now where is your class? Here. Now this is the problem. You see? ठीक है. So now you are there. Corrected one. Is this the corrected one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go ahead. If you could read.
Kaushal Raj Janwar XYZ Footwear Raj Chambers, Gondal Road, Rajkot. To manager ABC Footwear Private Limited, Meet Complex, Pune Road, Mumbai. Subject: inquiry of your ladies' shoes. Dear sir, I take pleasure introducing to you XYZ Footwear, a 7-year-old national company in the business of selling footwear. We have 32 showrooms in Gujarat and 25 showrooms in India outside Gujarat. We are in the process of expanding our business. With the reference to your advertisement in the Sandesh newspaper 2 days ago, and I was so very interested your Violenta ladies shoes displayed at the exhibition. I would be pleased if you would send me your latest catalog of complete price and also the item of your ladies shoes. And I don't forget to ask you about the method of payment and the method of delivery. It is possible at the same time. Would you like to let me know the time required after revising the order? It is a competitive and satisfactory. I am sure that we placed our regular orders in future.
Fine, fine. So this is very close, because what you are doing is you're also using the words such as competitive, right? So by using this one word, of course, you are also using the word satisfactory, that you should be having good quality. But this one word will tell you that you are not only making inquiry to this ABC footwear, you are also making inquiry to others. And if your prices and quality and services are competitive, that is good enough, then we'll place an order. So these are the choice of words that will make your say inquiry letter very, very precise. I think formatting is something that you can work out. Did you type first in the
सर
Word
वो
file and then you paste it here? Let me guess. You typed it first in the MS Word and then you paste here?
yes sir, yes.
Yes, you are welcome. Now, this is the technical hitch that you need to remember. If you type in one place, it will have certain format. Let's say MS Word will have its format. And when from there, when you paste here, that may not match. Clearly, you could see it's not matching, right? So this is
बाद
the
में
email
करेक्ट
format.
भी किया था, पर ऐसे ही आता है मेरे में,
हाँ,
सिर्फ
तो
लेटर
बताओ
के
क्या
फॉर्मेट
करें,
में दिखता
है ना? तो ये है, तो अभी लिखा अच्छा है मगर दिख नहीं रहा है अच्छा, so that will be a problem, है ना? So as I think I did tell you yesterday that in the writings, formal writings, letters or report, there are two aspects that you need to take care. One is your say structure, that is how it looks, है ना? So it's not incorrect as I said, it's just inappropriate, formatting ठीक नहीं हुआ है ना? तो ये ऐसा दिखता है, which is obviously not a good look. From here onward, it looks still okay. And if you see here, there is line space. Can you see the line space? These are the lines, but there is a space here. Whereas in these lines, you don't see space. Again, here there are spaces. Do you see the point? And these are the different fonts. These are the different fonts. These are the different fonts. And this is the different size. So all these are the part of, now, whatever you have written is one problem, and the way it looks is another problem. So that is formatting, structure, and the body of write-up, that is language. So these two things that you need to take care while you are writing. What can be done, we'll discuss. Very quickly, we'll look at Murtaza's draft. So Murtaza, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Murtaza Parmal, yes. Murtaza, go ahead. So let's see your draft.
Raj Traders, Canal Road, Rajkot, October 26, 2020, to Mr. Ram, MM Hardware, 150 Foot Ring Road, Rajkot. Dear Mr. Ram, we saw an advertisement of yours in a newspaper dated October 20, 2020. With reference to that, we are writing to you. We came to know that you recently started a wholesale business of hardware, so we would be glad to do business with you. So we need your price list of different products like adhesives, laminates, plywood sheets, etc. Looking forward to a reasonable price and good quality of products. Hope you consider our correspondence, and we are looking for a prompt reply. Thank you. Warm regards, Raj Traders, Rajkot.
Fine, fine. So that's almost there. Okay. And then Jai. Do you have Jai in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jai Paji, go ahead.
Date 25th October 2020. Name Kriya HP Store. Address University Road, City, Rajkot. Subject Inquiry about a computer. Dear Mr. Amit, this letter is to inquire about the HP laptop. I am planning to buy 10 laptops for my business purpose. We are advertising firm and would require laptop with graphics features. Our budget for 10 laptop RS rupees 3 lakh. We would be requiring laptop which is easy to carry, portable, good RAM size, and most important, which suits our budget. I would like to know about the varieties of laptop with all the features that I have mentioned above. If required, I am fine with any other brand too. Regards, Amit Karia, Managing Director, Broker Finance Limited.
Wonderful, wonderful. You're almost there. My only question is that you want to buy a computer or you want to buy a laptop? First.
Sir, there is my typing mistake.
So first question is, what do you want to buy, laptop or computers?
Laptop.
And then what do you want, how many do you want to buy? A computer or 10 computers?
10 computers.
Because here you are saying in the subject, I just want one computer, okay? I may ask for 10, but basically I'm going to buy only one. Do you see the problem?
Yes, sir.
So if it is a mistake, in oral communication, it's just a mistake. When you are doing in a written form, that means it becomes a not a crime, but also kind of if they send you one and will charge you 3 lakh rupees, you can't say no, you see, because you said in the subject itself, I just want one computer, not even a laptop, right? So that's why writing will need some amount of proofreading and going back. So that's why we need to take extra care while writing. Okay, so that's why. So that's good. Chali. So with these drafts of yours, we could see some of the practices, some of the mistakes, some of the misunderstandings. So what we come to know, as I said, two aspects. One is that you need, let's say, your draft. So that is in your draft, what are you going to have? You're going to have steps, right? So step 1, I'll write this. Step 2, I'll write this. Step 3, I'll write this. Step 4, I'll write this. How to write, we'll discuss. So very quickly, if you can tell me, what is the first thing that you'll write in, let's say, a business letter or inquiry letter? Step 1, what is it that you're going to write? Or let's say 1, 2, 3. Before you start, respected sir, before that, there are certain things that some of you have mentioned. So first, sender's address, as Rachna said. So who is the sender? One who is writing the letter is a sender. Okay, chali. So sender address could be one. Should date come first or should sender's address come first? We are counting. What are the things that will be the part of any formal letter, not only inquiry letter? Address, 2 addresses, I think most of you have used 2 addresses, sender and receiver, right? So Saurabh said sender address. Yeah, that's the step 1. Then what will be the next thing? Date should be written. Fine. So after the sender address or before sender address? Because I could see some of you use date, then address, then second address. So it should be like this: sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, and respected sir. So this is what Archana has given us this sequence. So do you agree with this sequence? First address, second subjects, then third respected sir or madam. Okay, Jay also told us the one, but what Archana said seemed fine to me. If it is okay with all of you. Do you see Archana's suggestion? This is what Archana is suggesting, that there should be sender address, then date, then receiver, then subject, then respected sir. That is the salutation basically. Hai. So do we agree with that? Okay, Krishna Raj told us sender address, date, subject. Yeah, so more or less the same as Archana said, especially up to here, up to this salutation. Dear sir, respected sir is called salutation. Okay. So up to that, this will come. Then comes introduction, main body, then thanks, regards, and the attachment, if any. Okay. So that also seems fine, which Krishnaraj said, up to the end. Hai. So that's there. So this is what the structure should be like. Now, what I'll do is, I'll share with you a draft, because when all of you are trying, so I thought, let me also try. So I also tried writing a letter. I'm not as good as all of you are. So just help me to help you, that if it is okay with all of you. So we have seen, I think, roughly 10 plus drafts. And this is another draft, if you could see. You see the draft? I hope you could see the screen. So as we discussed, there has to be, this is just the title for the reference, but we'll start from here. Address 1, that is of a sender. Then address 2, that is of a receiver. In between, date is there. There is something which you may not understand, but we'll discuss that. Then the date, so that is sandwiched. Date is sandwiched between this and this, right? So that's there in between. But I should write date also, right? Otherwise people will confuse that it's not a date. Should I write date like this? What do you say? There are 2 ways of writing date, right? One is that you directly write the date. Another is you write date, colon, and then you write the date. So which do you think is okay? Is it okay to write dates like this? Yes, quickly respond. We are already 11:10, so do it fast. What do you think? we should directly write, right? So we need not to write date and then date, except it is a printed form. If it is a printed format, you just have this and then you add into it. So that's how it works, and not otherwise. Okay, so that's there. So you need not to write date and then date. You just directly write the date, then of course the receiver's address. And this is not a postal address, right? So you don't need to give all the details of the address. You just write, let's say 3 to 4 lines, and that's it, right? It need not to be very detailed one, right? So what this is called the reference number, or rather letter number. So usually it will be the part of the department. Let's say Mira Watch Company. So you can see initial Mira Watch Company would be MWC. HR is usually the department or sales department that will make a purchase. Then at the end, you will have the year in which these letters are written, and then the letter number. See, so this is generally the way or a practice in which the letters are given numbers, right? So this is there, then date, then the receiver's address, then the reference or subject, both you can write. Then comes the introductory part, which I think most of you, those who did inquiry letter, wrote it well. Only thing is that while you are making an inquiry, you can make, I think, which Vanita and others did, that exactly what kind of product you want and in what quantity, right? So you are making a specific inquiry for a specific product, and then they will send you the specific price and other things. So that will be step 1, step 2. Step 1 is introduction. Who are you? What do you want? How did you come to know about the products? And then the exact mode of inquiry, preferably in a tabular format, right? So it will be easier. And then comes the terms and conditions, which I think most of you did better than I did, is that, we are looking forward to it and we are looking for the competitive price, right? So that's there. So I think the competitive word some of you used. So that's the word. So that means indirectly you are saying that we are going to make this inquiry from more than one vendor. And if we find your price is suitable, only then we'll place an order and not otherwise, right? So this is the draft that you could see here. And then of course you are sincerely and all, which all of you did. So most of you are already there. What you need is a bit of a formatting and a bit of sequencing, because I think some of you wrote date first, some of you wrote only the recipient address, and this address I think came here. It's okay to repeat twice, but it should be something like this, right? Language part, I think some of you have better language, better usages that you can keep, but the thumb rule is it should be as brief, as to the point as possible, right? It should not be lengthy, it should not be too detailed, right? So this is how an inquiry letter would look like. Make sense? So this is what we understand by inquiry letter. Make sense? Chali. So now we'll have a lecture tomorrow. Do we have a lecture or do we have your presentations tomorrow? I don't know. What were the say dates that were given to you? We have a session, right? Your presentation would be on what? Thursday onwards, you have the presentation, right? Okay, Thursday onwards. So tomorrow also we have a session. Okay, so for tomorrow, I just want all of you to turn your chairs. Like you already tried and most of you were there. There were a few misunderstandings here and there. Otherwise, most of you were there, right? So I just want all of you to try to receive all these letters that you wrote, right? For example, you tried an inquiry letter. There are some issues with the formatting. Now we know how to write an inquiry letter. Right, I show you the structure. In fact, most of you had the structures. Some of you had some issues with some formatting and a bit of a language issue. So you can follow this draft. You can follow somebody else's draft that are there in your inbox. Now, what if you receive this inquiry letter? What if you are the wholesaler and you receive this inquiry letter? That means you have to respond, right? So reply to the inquiry. How would you respond? How would you write a response to an inquiry letter that you just tried? Can you try this? Right. So, so tomorrow, can you send a few? It's not an assignment, so don't take it too seriously and don't take it too lightly also. So maybe some of you can send a reply to this inquiry. Can you try that? So tomorrow, try and write a reply to this inquiry that we have just discussed today in the class. Possible? Right, and then we'll try and understand the reply also. So that way we can compare. Okay, this is the format of inquiry, and this could be the format of the response. Make sense? So this is what we are going to have. Chali. So that's all for today. I'll take the attendance. This is BBA class, right? BBA FM. Where is BBA FM? Okay. BBA FM is not there in the list. That means I'll have to go to the folder. Okay. Yes, 27. Do we have Vidhi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Siddharth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Man Desai? Man Desai, are you there? No. Do you have Jai?
Present, sir.
Okay, Prisha?
Yes, sir.
Harry Agara? No. Okay, Hazan Agara? Okay, then Vanita?
Yes, sir.
Madhvi?
Yes, sir.
Then Kaushal Raj?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Malhar?
Yes, sir.
And Priyank? Priyank, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Tushar?
Yes, sir.
Then Mansi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Meg?
Present, sir.
Yarchana?
Yes, sir.
Ayan is not there, right? Okay, Murtaza?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Parth?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Ujjal is not there today, right? Umang Dave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Is also. Chalo. So that's all for today. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow with reply to the inquiry, right? So please try and write. Now you already know what not to do, what not to write, right? Kaushal Raj also, you should not be writing in the Word file. You'll be trying directly. You can write in email, right? So that might help you. So that's all for today. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.